Hello guys, welcome to my channel Solutions Hub. In this channel we will discuss about the various Udemy courses with certificates. In this channel we will get the various Coursera solution certificates, various assignments, Udemy courses. So please subscribe our channel for more updates. The first course is Be an Expert in English Grammar. Master all the English grammar, tenses and structure rules. This courses is free. Just enroll these courses with the coupon code December 25. After that, next course is the complete digital marketing course for local business. Master guide to boosting your local business. Find ready to spend customers with the complete digital marketing course. This course also free for you. Just apply this course with coupon code Merry Christmas 111. After that, the next course is Shopify Guide, the complete Shopify store creation course. This course also free. Just apply for this course using the coupon code 55cc4537E15D0E15D222. These all coupon codes and link of these Udemy courses are given in description. Please check that description and apply for that course. SEO training 2020 complete SEO course plus WordPress SEO Yoast. This course also free. Just apply the coupon code Merry Christmas 111. That course and the coupon code also given in description. The next course is Journalism Conduct Great Media Interviews. You can conduct skillful video or audio interviews with experts, news makers or even colleagues. This course is also free. Just apply the coupon code. That coupon code also given in description. After that, the next Udemy course is Best of Facebook Ads. Facebook's Ad 2020 Ultimate Pro Edition. This course also free. The coupon code is given into the description, that is Merry Christmas 111. After that, the most important course is Practical Interview Secrets that will get you the job. This course help you to prepare for various interviews and various jobs. This course is also free. Only 2 days are left for this at that price. The coupon code is given in description. Please enroll for that course because this course is very helpful to you. Next course is Whiteboard Video Creation with VideoScribe 2020 edition. This course also free. 2 days are remaining. The coupon code of this course is also given into the description. Next course is JavaScript and jQuery certification course for beginners. Add animated dynamic client-side functionality to your web pages using JavaScript and jQuery. So this course also free. Only 1 day is left for at this price. The coupon code is UXL74639. This coupon code also given into description. If this coupon code is not given into description, watch all video. You can see the coupon code in video also. The next course is Python Programming Tutorial for the Absolute Beginners. Plus code. Python Programming Tutorial is your ultimate guide to master Python programming from absolute beginners to developing apps. This course is also free with English language. 2 days are left at this price and the coupon code is Merry Christmas. The next course is Basic Communication and Mindset, how to be likable and sweet. This course is also free. 2 days are left at this price and the coupon code is New Year Gift 1. Please apply for this course. Coupon code is given into the description. The next course is Guide to Success, the most effective principle of success. This course is also free with coupon code that is given in description. You can apply for this course also. Next course is Cisco CCNA Network Security Best Practice Stats. This course is also free for 2 days with coupon code that is given into the description box. After that, the next course is the Ultimate Facebook Marketing Quiz. Test your Facebook marketing skills by attending this splendid quiz. This course is also free with 2 days and the coupon code is YUPPY now. Next course is Cyber Security and Ethical Hacking Introduction course, the complete beginner's guide to cyber security and ethical hacking 2021. This course is also free with 1 day is left at this price and the coupon code is Christmas Special 100. This coupon code and the link of that course is given into the description. Next course is Supercharge Your Facebook Marketing and Your Facebook Ads in 2021. The most comprehensive Facebook ads and Instagram ads course. The link of that course is given into the description, and the coupon code is Merry Christmas 111, that also given into the description. After that, the next course is 2020 Complete Python Bootcamp Python Optimization Beginners. The link of that course is also given into the description, and the coupon code also given into the description. The next course is IT Deployments Business and Technical Support Planning. Learn the processes and consideration involved in new site deployments and migration of newly acquired IT environments. The course is free, at 1 day left at this price, and the coupon code is ITDFREE 2020. This is a coupon code, and the link of this course is also given into the description. After that, the next course is Python Network Programming for Network Engineers Python 3. Program networks using Python version 3. Learn network programming with this practical GNS 3 and Cisco course. This course is also free, 1 day left at this price, and the coupon code is also given into the description. The next course is Build Unseen and Futuristic JavaScript Web Applications. Web application that suits and can be incorporated with almost every website. This course is also free with 1 day left at this price. The coupon code is given into the description. The next course is Introduction to Forex. Learn to trade Forex by yourself. Learn to trade the Forex market. Get a complete understanding of Forex markets and complete introduction to Forex. This course is also free, 1 day left at this price, and the coupon code is also given into the description. The next course is Mandarin Chinese Hansu HSK Entry Class Level 1 for Mandarin Chinese HSK Absolute Beginners. After the course, you can apply for HSK 1 exam. This course also free, 1 day left at this price, and the coupon code is given into the description. Black Friday. Course is the Principle of Furniture Selection for Home, Beginner's Guide to Furniture Selection. This course is also free, 13 hours left at this price, and the coupon code is given into the description. We can apply for the job. All the Udemy course links are given into the description. Coupon codes also is given into the description. Please check these courses. Apply using coupon code. Next course is Linux Professional Institute 101, 500 and 100 to 500 exam. Pass the LPCI 101, 500 and 100 to 500 exams and become an LPIC 1 certified. This course also free. The coupon code is Hurry Up. This coupon code and the link of that course is given into the description.